Hey there, I'm Bianca Pitts. Welcome to the Creative Marketing Mom. Today we're going to go over how to install the best, most customizable WordPress theme, Astra. So this theme has an insane amount of customability. It's completely free, which is crazy, and it is the best out there in my opinion. I have used it for many sites, and if you stick around till the end, I will show you 3 of the sites that I have created that look completely different. In the 5 years that I have been in business, I have created tens and tens of websites, probably 30 just off the top of my head. And some of them have been paid design jobs. So, they all look completely different, even though they're all using the same theme, which is crazy. And Cadence was another theme that is pretty good and was actually kind of making the rounds in my industry of being, kind of the number one. But I went over, tested it, and I thought there's just too much customability for Astra. It's just better, in my opinion. It is the best free WordPress. In my opinion, it's even better than the ones that are paid, but that's just me. And no, this is not sponsored. I just like this theme. It's amazing. And you can do so much with it. So I'm going to show you how to download it. You can see it's already downloaded. But if you did not have it downloaded, what you would do is you would log into your WordPress dashboard. You're going to come over here to the menu on the left, go to Appearance, and then Themes. Select it, and you will get a view of the automatically downloaded themes. Like it comes with 2023, 2022. You go over here to Add New Theme and select. It's going to bring up a whole slew of themes. You're going to come to the right area and click Search Themes and type in Astra, A-S-T-R-A. It's going to bring up this beauty right here with the purple header. That is Astra. You're going to select Install. Okay, it's going to look like this. It'll say Install or Preview. You're going to click Install. I've already done that, so it doesn't show it. Then, once it's installed, the same screen is going to have an Activate button. Click Activate. So this is going to make this your theme. If you already have your website designed with a separate theme, please be sure to click Preview first to make sure that it's not going to break anything that you have set up. But especially anything that's like specific to that theme, just be aware of that. But like with this this is a subdomain that I created just for this. So it doesn't have anything on it yet. So now this is what the Astra theme looks like. Well, it's not what it looks like. This is pre-design, of course. But this is the bar over here, the menu that has an insane amount of ability. So like, let's click blog. First of all, we'll go right here to the blog tab. It gives you 2 separate options for single post or for the archive. What I really love is the insane amount of design. So you can click right here if you want it to have the blog post. Let's go into this one. If you want it to have a title or not. But then you can do more customization. It has an option of 2 separate layouts where it can have a separate banner, and then you can come over here on top of that and customize it. You can customize the width, whether it shows the breadcrumbs or not. Within the description, you can move it around and say, well, I want this on top, that on bottom. It's crazy. You can say, well, I want to enable it on the blog post page or not. Then you come over here to the design tab. You can do even more with it. Now you can change the height, the spacing between things on your banner. You can change the background. Let's say I want it to be blue. We can change that. And it's not showing here because I don't have it set up. But there is just, the customability is unmatched for free, especially, but even for paid. Right here, the typography, however you say that, is not limited to this. I have a video coming up in the next series, or in this series, a video coming up that is going to be all about how to do custom fonts without plugins or codes or anything. Like it's one click and you now have a custom font in your website for free. So stay tuned for that. I'll link that below. But you can do that with Astra as well. It's just crazy. You can have a global color palette that also goes into Elementor. But you can have multiple palettes if you want. It's just crazy. Then let's see, you can go in and change the container, how you want it, the width. You can just completely change how it looks. You can come in here and decide how you want the buttons, like globally, all the buttons to look. You can go into, you can have a scroll to top. And you don't need, what's nice, you don't need plugins for any of this. This is just included in Astra. You have a crazy amount of customizations for the same, just like the blog post. You can decide if you want pages to have like a bigger header or a hero image kind of built in. Let's see here. Let's go back a bit. The site identity. I love that. It has so much customability. Our customization. So you can put in your logo. You can put in your site title. You can go and change it. You can see, you know, like let's say I only want this to be for desktop. I can make a completely separate one for mobile and tablet, which is great. You also, where did it go? Somewhere around here. Oh, there's a site icon. You can also do your favicon up here at the top, which some themes don't let you do for free, which is crazy. Let's see, you can do all kinds of stuff. Sidebar, footer. It's just wild. I'll probably have a video coming up where I'll kind of walk you through customizing it. I know that I have a workshop coming up in the next few months called Rocket Blueprint. It's going to be amazing. And it is going to walk you through how to completely create a website, custom website for your business. It's going to be amazing. And you'll also kind of get some blogging stuff as well, because as you guys know, content is queen, not king, queen. Because, you know, content is the best way to market your business in an approachable way that will make people want to buy your stuff and get to know you at the same time and see how smart you are and hear your message, and allow your voice to be heard. So yes, it's going to be amazing. Stay tuned. If you're not already a part of the Marketing Maven, get in. I will show you my website, excuse me, as one of the examples. And that is where you'll be able to go and get yourself in. The Marketing Maven is a weekly chat, tips, all kinds of things. You'll get little videos shorter than this one, because, you know, email doesn't have to be boring. And so you'll be able to keep up with what I'm up to, as well as get all kinds of exclusive goodies. I'm always making stuff and I'm always sending it to my people. So that's the Marketing Maven. You can get yourself signed up on my website and don't miss out. Let's see. So there's just so many. So let me come over here. So this is one of my websites that I sold. I created, it did great, and then I sold it because I wanted to focus on other things. But if you guys don't know, I am a Disney fan. I love Disney. We were actually there yesterday. We stayed for 2 days, and we try to go a couple times a month. But as you can see, back from my travel agent days, okay, we've got still stuff up here. Disney newscast. This has the Astra theme. Isn't that crazy? Looks totally different. Totally different than the ones I'm going to show you next. There we go. Isn't that cool? I love how it comes in behind my head. So this is going to be updated soon, but this is the current website. Again, also Astra theme. Isn't that neat? So many goodies on here. Let me see if I can go to, this is one of my really popular blog posts that I love very much. So you can see what this one looks like. So this is that title that I was talking about. So you can do a lot with this. Like I said, customization is crazy. But as you can see, it looks totally different, you know? It just does. It's completely different from the other site. And then let's look at the third one. This one is an art website. And as you can see, it looks completely different. You made it. You made it all the way to the end. You are the select few. Most people don't make it to anybody's end video screen. So I wanted to give you a gold star. You get a gold star. I feel like Oprah. You get a gold star and you get a gold star. So you head over to creativemarketingmom.com/goldstar. Get yourself the ultimate Instagram templates. Thanks for watching The Creative Marketing Mom. Catch us online anytime, anywhere at creativemarketingmom.com. Click over here to subscribe and over here for the latest tips and tricks to ignite your content marketing skills, maximize your business growth, and explode your sales. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.